Upon installation of your air balancer, it's important to properly set the hook balance adjustment in order to prevent unwanted drifting of the hook up or down. Before performing this adjustment, the balancer should be installed and 100 psi of clean, dry air should be connected. Before making any adjustments on the Zimmerman series air balancer, be sure that you have read the safety information provided with the unit and that you have proper personal protective equipment. Start by depressing the up button on the control pendant until the hook is at the midpoint of the travel. You may notice a gradual downdrift when you first install the balancer. Hook balance is easily adjusted using the adjustment screws on the manifold of the balancer. For demonstration purposes, we've removed the manifold from the balancer. However, this adjustment can be made with the manifold installed on the balancer. The balancer air manifold has 3 adjustment screws. Down speed adjustment is the screw on the far left, up speed adjustment is found on the far right, and the balance adjustment screw is in the middle. The manifold comes from the factory with the hook balance screw set flush with the manifold surface. If the hook drifts down, rotate the hook balance screw clockwise slowly until the hook is balanced. Never adjust the hook balance screw more than 3 turns in. This can damage the internal spring. If the hook begins to drift upward, rotate the hook balance screw counterclockwise slowly until the hook is balanced. Never turn the screw out past flush with the manifold surface. When properly adjusted, the hook will remain in a balanced state. Your balancer is now ready for operation.